What's up, YouTube? Here with my son. Just got out of bath time, playing a little basketball, and we're getting ready to show you some of my most recent pickups, plus one of my Christmas presents that I picked up. So let's start with my purchases. All right. Up first, we got rookie signatures, Dwayne Allen. It's number 167. 167 out of 199. Then we got rookie card from Anthony Costanzo. Autograph card, of course. 69 out of 99. It's a sticker. The other one was an on card. Nice shot there. Then I got an on card auto of Dwayne Allen. Nice triple threads here. 3 thread rise, not triple thread card, but had to pick that one up. It's a really nice looking card. And that's numbered 167 out of 299. 163 out of 299. I know. Hold on, Bob. I know you want to show him this. Okay. Then I picked up 2005 rookie signatures, Joseph Adai. I saw one of these in person up at a memorabilia shop nearby. It was framed with an 8x10 picture. It was really sweet looking. And it was of one of the ones I'm going to show you in a second. Then I picked up Marlon Jackson. Sweet spot, rookie signature. Sorry about the bumpiness. My son's attacking my hair. And then sweet spot signatures, number 7 out of 15 on this one. Hold on, Bob. Zoom in there. Sorry about that. Son hit the button. A little Reggie Wayne action there. 7 out of 15. It's a real sweet card on my plastic. Okay. Then we have one last item that we picked up. This was given to me by my father-in-law. I'm going to have to pick up a case for this. I'll show you all. I'm going to be going to the game this coming weekend to see this man right here, Coach Chuck Pagano, come back onto the field to coach his team. Nice Colts laser autograph there. Not as cool as the others. Yes, my son is now taking it. Not as cool as a real autograph one, but I love the picture on it. I love the look of the ball. Take a look at that one more time. It's been a heck of a year for the Colts. Hopefully we'll continue this. And I'll be at the game this week. I'm looking forward to it. Some great family seats. And then also recap, ended up pulling off the Super Bowl in my fantasy football league. So that was real nice. Picked up a little extra cash. So, all right, YouTube, those are my pickups. Got more stuff on the way. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.